there. Thank you for looking into Miss Molly Knows Intuitive Tarot and Oracle Workshop. I'm so glad you found me here on YouTube. Guess what? All you got to do is pay me. The information is below in the description. It's $25. If you've already paid for this class before, you don't have to pay a second time, but I would appreciate you registering. Go ahead and go to my website, Miss Molly Knows, fill out a contact form and say, yes, I'd like to take your class on Wednesday, October 5th, and decide if you're going to take it at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Or you can take both. I don't care. But please go ahead and register through my website. Send me the contact form informing me you'd like to take the class. And once I see your payment of $25 posted, you will be registered. I'll be sending you out an important information packet that'll have some information that you can use. You do not need cards to take this class because you will have a cheat sheet you can refer to at any time. As I said before, you can rewatch and retake the class at any time once you paid for it the first time. Please tell your friends and family. I look forward to teaching you. Again, all the information is in the notes below. Have a wonderful day. Mwah!